Bruh, I ain't gonna front, bro. I haven't really been dropping that much videos lately this week because I've been sick. And I ain't really got that like sickness where your nose stopped up and you got a cough and shit like that. I got one of the flu sickness, you know what I'm talking about, body aches and shit like that. But I have gotten better. You know, it really just hit me at night. But I had to let you guys know that shit. I mean, going crazy. Anyways, bro, what's good, PB gang? It's PB the GOAT, aka Rope God.
Rope God. Rope God.
Yeah. And y'all know ain't nothing stopping us, bro. We gonna keep pushing anyways, sick or not. Gotta work, you feel me? Anyways, man, I know a lot of you guys are like wondering, bro, is you and Sir Cruse still doing that woofing challenge? The 15-week woofing challenge? And the answer to that is, let's keep it locked.
I'm so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. Wave, so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. Wave, so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. Wave, I'm so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. Wave.
Alright, y'all, look. The answer to that is, look at this, man. Look at, I need to shape up. Okay, we are now on the 10th week, right? Our 10th week. So we got 5 more weeks, 5 more long ass weeks to go, bro. I actually talked to Cruse yesterday, and I was asking him, bro, like, are we still doing the woofing challenge? You feel me? Like, you know what I'm saying? We still doing it, right? He like, yeah, we still doing it. Whatever, you giving up on me? And I asked him how many weeks we had left. That's what I said. How many weeks do we have left? And he was like, we still got till September. I'm like, damn, it's that long? And I was like, shit, what we on? What week? He said, I think it's like 9.5 or 10 weeks. So I just said 10 weeks. So I kind of lost like track, bro. I be having a lot of shit going on, you feel me? And when I wolf for so long, I kind of forget exactly what week I'm on. So we're officially on our 10th week. Okay? The last video that I did, the woofing, for the woofing challenge, I believe I was on my 8th week, and that was like 2 weeks. That was like 2 weeks ago. So we're on our 10th week now. And as you can see, bro, I haven't got a shape up. I haven't got nothing to like a month. You know what I'm saying? My shit looking like this. It's holding up pretty well though. Wolf holding up pretty well, you know what I'm saying? It's just, my shit just long right now, you feel me? But y'all know we ain't gonna quit. We're gonna keep pushing the wolf, and that's it. We're not quitting, bro. Simple. So what I'm about to do is, man, we're gonna comb though. Get a comb session. So if you guys woofing, or even if you're not woofing, pull out y'all brushes or whatever, or pull out y'all combs if you are woofing, and comb with your boy, because we about to get a cool one in and we're gonna chop it up. Simple. Alright, so let's get it. Hell yeah, y'all was wondering, man, you know what I'm saying, probably blasted, man, y'all still doing the woofing challenge? Yeah, bro, we still doing the woofing challenge. We just haven't really updated you guys with it, but you know, you guys know I'm still woofing. You know, I always do Insta stories and stuff like that. If you guys ain't follow me on Instagram, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. You see that right there in the corner, right there? Yeah, y'all see it. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. But yeah, I'm definitely woofing. I definitely ain't quitting. You gonna keep pushing it. I'm managing it pretty well. To be honest with you, I haven't brushed in like, yesterday I brushed, but since then, okay. Yesterday I brushed, I combed for a while, and then I brushed or whatnot. But before that, it was like 2 or 3 days I didn't do shit. I just had my DURAG on because I was like real sick then when it first happened. But now I'm really getting over it and I feel better. So yesterday I actually got a good comb session in for a long time. Like, I'm talking about hours of combing. And then I finally laid my shit back down at the end of the day. You know what I'm saying? I laid it back down hard, medium soft brush or whatnot. But yeah, man, shit, you know, we gonna keep doing this shit, you know. Corsair gang, man, you know, I know what it is. You know? I was talking to Cruse yesterday. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Cruse. He was telling me, man, I heard you was sick, bro, man. You always sick. I was like, man, I seem like I am, huh? Nah, I already get sick as much, but when I do get sick, it really hit me. I'm like one of them dudes that don't really get sick, but then when I do get sick, nigga, I get sick. I'm talking about like body aches and sweating and all types of shit, like the flu type shit. I was like, nah, nigga. He's like, you probably got sick from the gym, all them germs and shit that be in the gym and shit. I'm like, yeah, you right, probably. Shit, I don't know. That's nothing though. It's nothing, it's part of life. You know what I'm saying? I know y'all better have y'all combs out too though, I know that much. Cause we combing together. Big facts. Comb together, baby. Yeah. When I'm woofing like this, bro, I'm like my primarily tools is the comb and the hard brush, because I want to make sure you want to make sure too that you get into that first layer of hair that's under, like the first one, like under this, you feel me? Because when you get a haircut, that's what's gonna show. So if your top of your hair, the last layer of your hair, it looks good, that doesn't mean that the bottom layer looks good too. You know, that's why you want to make sure when you're woofing like this, crazy, make sure that you comb, because when you comb, you're for a fact getting to that first layer of hair. That's what it's doing basically, is detangling your hair, you know what I'm saying? But then when you hard brush, after you comb and shit, you get into that first layer of hair for sure. You know what I'm saying? That's why I do that. So that way when I do get a haircut, I still progress. Even though we going 15 weeks. Y'all know, man, I ain't went 15 weeks. Last time I went 16 weeks. That was the longest I ever woofed. And that was a long ass time ago. Like, I'm talking about like when I was in my prime type shit. Right now, you guys know I'm not in my prime, but you know what I'm saying? This woof right here should be straight. You know, when I get a cut, I'm gonna get a short cut anyways, because I plan on starting from the bottom, like. So I'm gonna get like a 1.5 or a 2. You guys know I normally get like a 3. So I'm gonna cut shorter this time, so you guys don't want to miss out on the haircut. You feel me? I don't know where I'm going to get the cut. Most likely I might have my other homie do the cut. I bought some clippers for him. Man. That nigga happy. I told him, man, nigga, you ain't finna if you go cut my hair, man, you ain't finna cut my hair with them clippers with the tape on it, bro. It's not going down. You know what I'm saying? So I ordered some clippers, some hard ones, and and I got some fast feeds already, and I got like some guards and stuff. So yeah, but the ones I ordered was the Andes. I already had the clippers or whatever for the haircut, but I ordered the edgers, and it's like the skeleton edgers. So it got the the modified ones. So them shits is already modified, so it's gonna be dope. He can get around my edges real good and all that, like behind the ear and shit and all that. I actually was supposed to get a shape up from that fool yesterday, but I was thinking I'd feel better, but nah, I didn't feel better at all. So I just rescheduled with that nigga. I'm gonna get it next week. As long as you combing and shit though, even though you know you need to shape up, as long as you combing and you still putting that work in when you woofing, you good. You know what I'm saying? You ain't slacking. Just don't slack. That's it. As long as you combing and shit, you Gucci. That's the whole thing. What you don't want to do is slack when you woofing, because then you are going to lose progress. But see, my shit is long though. Crazy. Damn. That nigga shit is long, bro. Your shit long, bro. Yo. Y'all know I go against the grain too. The reason why I go against the grain too is to confuse your hair. That will help with your connections. But you don't want to do this if your hair is not trained. And how you know that your hair is trained? You know, I tell you guys this shit all the time. How you know your hair is trained is when you don't have ripples, when you have waves that's already, you have very few forks. Then you do this. If your hair ain't trained, don't do this shit. Because you're gonna lose progress because your hair is not really trained. You just need to be trained to go forward, instead of going against the grain. So don't do it. Don't do it, baby. But with me, my shit trained, so I could do it. I go against the grain, then I go right back with the grain. Feel good too when you go against the grain, cause your shit be itching. My shit itching. My hair ain't been dirty though. I ain't been to the gym or nothing. Man, last time I went to the gym was like 2 days ago. But it's alright though. Didn't even feel good, bro. I don't feel like being in the gym, man. I'm fucking sick. So you guys probably can hear it in my voice. But yeah, this is what it is, man. You know? This nigga just made me calling me, bro. I missed it. Oh well. But yeah, man, that's pretty much it. That's it with the video, man. Ask you guys questions. Yeah, I just want to, update you guys, man. Yes, I am woofing, and yes, we're still doing this challenge. You know, we still doing this challenge and shit because a lot of you guys is asking. Sir Cruse, I don't know when he coming out with his video, but I'm pretty sure he coming out with something because I'm doing mine. You know what I'm saying? We just going with the flow. You know, and that's how it is. That's the best way to do it sometimes. But yeah, man. With that being said, I'm done. And make sure you guys, if you guys woofing, don't slack on your combing, bro. Don't slack on your hard brushing, bro. At the end of the day, when you get a haircut, you're woofing for a purpose, basically. So when you get a haircut, you want to progress. You're not woofing because, you just for the fuck of it. You know what I'm saying? You want to make sure that you progress. We woofing for progression, all right? So use that hard brush, comb every day, once a day at least, all right? With that being said, man, if you're great, they gonna hate. Yeah. Got the camera, nigga.